Do you have time to hear this real quick? Are you nervous? Alright, here we go, ready? I cried out with no reply, and I can feel you by my side. So I hold tight to what I know. You're here and never alone. You hear her?
I think it's working.
Isn't that cute? We were working on it one night, and